Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how buffer overflow may happen in C++ code. So let's create a new project. I forgot to give it a name. This is my little script that makes it easier. Oh, name it like that. And here we need to import C string, for example. I'm gonna use this. And here we'll create a function. Let's call it vulnerable, like that. And we will create a character buffer uh, and with length, for example, 5 characters, and do something std cout and cout and something like enter your name, maybe. Ask the user to enter their name. And here, let's do you enter it, something, and something, and it's gonna be our buffer, and std, the line, okay, the line here, and here we're gonna do simple thing, use our input, and from our input, put input right into buffer. So it's pretty dumb, and this is actually unsafe. It can cause the buffer overflow eventually. And here we can run our function here. Okay, our little program is ready. So let's compile it and try to run. And I'm gonna go to my C++ directory over this week 3, I think, overflow, over, oh, okay, my file is here, and I do cpp. This is another my script that makes compiling overflow. I did actually this. Okay, and program is running. So I type my name, for example, and this is only 4 characters, and it works just well. I run it again, and I type Mike Z, for example. It works well. Okay, let's try again. Okay, we got it. So stack smashing detected. This is actually a vulnerability of our program, so it's crashed. So, and now let's try to fix it. This is our function that is vulnerable, and we can copy it and paste it here and just rename it to good, for example. And here, instead of this, let's do get line, and what is that? I don't need this. I actually need here my buffer and size of buffer, like that. So this thing will make sure that we don't get input longer than our buffer. So this thing will be safe. And instead of this function, we will run our good function now. So let's do good here. And this one, we can just comment it out. Okay, here we go. Now let's try it out. We can compile it again. So cpp over, okay, I'll just do like that. Okay, now I try again and try again. So, okay, as you see, I entered my full name. It's 7 characters, but I got that I entered only 4, but my buffer is 5. Why it happened? Because after the string, if it's an array of characters like C style string, in the end of the string, it's supposed to be a null character, so we don't see it, but it exists. So this is why I see only 4. This is why if I type something really, really, really long, I can get input only exact amount of characters that is allowed by the buffer limitation. So this is the way how we can mitigate. This is the simplest way. There are more sophisticated and complicated ways to mitigate these vulnerabilities in C++. So I think this is enough for this lesson. So thank you for watching and bye.